Hello everyone, my name is Rajesh Kumar and I'm your DevOps SRE DevSecOps coach. I have close to 18 plus years of experience working in multiple MNCs around the globe and having in-depth knowledge of DevOps, SRE and DevSecOps. So I would like to introduce you one certification program in a DevOps, and that is we call it DevOps Certified Professional. Now this is a 2 months of program, 25 tools of DevOps you will learn, and apart from that you will also get the access to the LMS, lifetime access to the videos portal. It's a certification program, and you will have 25 assignments and 2 projects along with it. It's a completely weekend program, so here you have classes on Saturday and Sunday. So as part of this course, you will learn multiple things. Here you see that you will learn Linux, AWS, Docker, Jira, Confluence, Python, Git with GitHub, SonarQube, Maven, Gradle, Packer, Artifactory, Selenium, JMeter, Ansible, Kubernetes, Helm, Terraform, Jenkins, Datadog, Splunk, and Neuralink. Now, how do we, apply for this? So how can you reach out to us? So you have a WhatsApp number and email ID. So please reach out to us, and we'll help you to onboard this program. Apart from this DevOps certified professional programs, we are offering other certifications as well in a DevSecOps, SRE, and one of the very comprehensive programs which we have is in Master in DevOps Engineering. Yeah, so feel free to get in touch with us and then enroll for it. Thank you. F1LA home. Here somewhere this file. Okay, so now I don't have to remember this command. You can just type Ramu Kaka. See, got it?
But but can I give this alias to my script like dot slash this? Can I, for
Uh,
example, like ls is just a simple command. So can I
yeah.
create my script and then give a name, something like that?
You are saying something like this,
No,
then
no. This is my script, right? Whatever you are showing on the screen is my script. To
right.
execute it, I have to write dot slash script name dot sh, right? So can I give a short name to this?
Short
Instead of
name.
every time writing dot slash hello dot sh, I write something hel and it will execute the same thing.
So this way it will work. Alias itself will work. Just a second here. And this is more easy. I mean, here you don't need a shortcut actually, to be honest. Correct? Now?
Yeah,
Here
I
you,
can write like
here,
this. What I was asking.
yeah, yeah. Here you don't need actually. So like this, you can give it
Okay.
uh, Ramu. But this, yeah, you can do that, but it's not making any sense here.
Hmm.
Ramu. Done.
Okay.
So, okay, so I was talking something. Yeah, so conditioning. Okay, so now how to set loops in shell scripting. So here we have for loop and while loop. So let me take you to this one, for loop. Okay, so here we have 3 ways in which you can loop it: while loop, for loop, and until. Now for like this is a format, and here some explanation is there. For value, this is the one variable will be there, and this variable will keep changing as per the every run. In this is the list. Okay, list, and do whatever you want inside this code. So good explanation are there, detailed explanations are here. So let's start running. So this will be easy for you to understand. So here you see uh, for I is a variable, and I will run. I mean this loop will run how many times? 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every time I will set first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, and then you are displaying. Simple one. So let me show you here. Save it and done. So this way you can loop and number of time. Little bit complicated also is there. So there's a one, and this is a infinity loop. So here there's nothing, there's nothing, and there's nothing. So colon colon is a infinity loop. Here it was arranged one. I mean 1 to 5 only list. This is infinity. Here again it will run 5 times. Here you see for setting in, this is the list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times it will run, and every time it will check. See here, if state is Arkansas, this one, so then break it. That means here what you're saying, hey, Albana, not break it, echo. Alaska, not break it, echo. Arizona, not break it, echo. And when it's come here, which is here matching, then break it. So this will print only these three states. So breaking it loop also you can do that. So here you have a for loop, and inside that you are using conditions. Do done. Remember, for a do done, inside that you have a conditions. If condition. Are you comfortable with this code and all of you? Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so some more examples here you see. It's a very traditional way of looping. This might you might have studied in C, C++ or something. So it's applicable here. I is equal to 0, start with 0. First time you set. Next time it will check the range of it. So I is less than and greater than 1000. Okay. And I plus plus and enter. So this will return 0 to 1000 times actually. 1001 times actually total. So here, look at this here for element. This is something is been used again break. Few more programs are there. I want you to learn all this program. See here for file. So file is variable in. So whatever the locations in this root location, this is a root locations. So for each file in this one, and move file to some different locations. So you can do that. Here searching for file in all the JPEG file of the current directory, moving this file to renaming it something to JPEG to GPG format. So yeah, multiple options are there, and please go through this. Now there is one more loop which we have, which is called while loop. So here while loop, this is the format while do done. Inside that your commands will be there. While condition is true, do done. If false, don't get into the do and done. So this is the flow. While false, done. While true, do this command. Simple. So let me, these are the operators, you can use it. Now let me run one example for it. Look at this here. So here it says, dollar $a 0 is less than 10. Okay. So here is been is LT. So because it's integer, if it is not integer, then you have to use this one, this one. Okay. So this is for the string. Remember that. So here, if it is true, in this case, a is less than 10. Yeah, it's true. So it will keep displaying that a uh, up to this 10 when it's and here you are increasing that value of a. So here you see a is equal to $a plus 1. So by 1 you are increasing it. So here we have vi hello, save it, you see. So this way you can do the while also. So in this page I have so many examples for while here. So I would like you to try it out, understand this logic, very simple though, all codes. I think 10, 12 examples are there. So you can try it out. Okay, so now what we talked about it. So any languages when you want to learn, first you learn how to save it, how to save it, how to run it, how to run it, how to set variable, how to set variable, how to how to prompt, enable prompt, how operators, what are the list of operators, how do we do conditioning in the scripting, and how do we loop. Any questions on this front, all of you? Any questions on this front,
No.
all of you? Okay, so
We
last
are good.
section of this is function. What is function? So what happens, the function definition is same for the every language. Function means multiple lines of code, you put it in a one block, and this block you name it something xyz, and this xyz you can reuse as many times you want it. Reusing the code, if you think that some of the code is getting repetitive in my script, so convert into function and use it. For example, mail function you can use it, chat function you can use it, add function, subtract function, depends on your, you have to build that logic, what code is being repetitive, convert into function. So that way it will be easy for you, you don't have to, your code will become 50 lines instead of 500 lines if you have a repeat some work, so that's a way to use the function. So how to do that, so let me give you shell scripting function example. Let's copy one, more than sufficient. So this is something, yeah. So simple example is here. Here you are defining, this is a one function. In this code, in this curly braces, it can be any logic what you want. Depends on what you have. So hello is a function name, and you are printing here hello. So let me run this and run it. See here, hello. Now this function you can use it multiple times. Hello, 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 and so on. And see, so you are using that function. This is a very simple function. Okay. So let me see if I have some good example for a few function. Mm, not really. So let me get some user-based parameterized functions. I want to show you that one. So, so here, look at this. This is good. So if you see that here, this is the parameterized based function. So copy this. Here, you need to understand this. This is a function. Okay. Name of the function is add a user. And here you have a function uses multiple. You look at this here. And here This is the calling the function, and this is the parameter 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. You are passing this, right? So here what you are doing, uh, you are reading that $1. $1 means this one, I told you, right? And $2 means this one. Are you understanding? Hello? And after
Yes.
that, yeah, after that you are considering rest of the thing is comment. So here you see that your comments is equal to dollar at the rate of. So you can consider dollar at the rate of means what? So anything you pass, anything, it will be acted like a comments. So here you are adding dollar user, which is dollar user is equal to $1. Here you are creating a user. This is a way to create a user. So you are adding Bob user, Fred user, Bilko user. Here adding the user. This command will add a user. And for adding the user's comments has to pass, which is here, which is completely, and then dollar user. Here you are setting the password for that particular user and then printing. So this is the way you can do that. So let me copy this and run this. Save it. See here. So it's just it has happened echo, 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 echo. If you remove this echo, it will work like that. Whatever you want to do that. Okay, so this is the function. One more examples to function. So this is a basic one. Okay, so my internet is a little slow today. Yeah. So guys, did you understand about the functions, all of you? Any questions?
If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video.
Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest.
Thanks for watching.